Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Shine from FS Technologies with another new video. আজকের ভিডিওটির মূল টপিক যে ক্লায়েন্ট আমাদের কিভাবে তার কাজে ইনস্ট্রাকশন ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে দেয় এবং সেখান থেকে কি কি শেখা যায় তার টোটাল একটা রিয়েল ক্লায়েন্ট ইনস্ট্রাকশন সহ আমি ভিডিওটি সাবমিট করছি। এটার সাথে আমি অ্যাড করছি, তো আশা করব আপনারা শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখবেন অ্যান্ড আই হোপ আপনারা অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন যে আসলে ক্লায়েন্ট কিভাবে ইনস্ট্রাকশনগুলো দিয়ে থাকে। তো ভিডিওটি শেষ পর্যন্ত এনজয় করুন সবাই।
Okay, so this is going to be a pretty easy project, but what I need you to do is to go to this website, artblocks.io, and get data from every single thing here, every project here in one Excel file, every project here, and every single project here. So an example of how this will work, how it will look will be, let's see. You'll come here, you'll find this project. You will take a copy of this link and put it in an Excel sheet, and then you will come to this website and you're going to just sign up here and join it, and then you can go to platforms, click here on art blocks, and here's a list of all the projects here that's on this website. Not every single project is listed here, but as you can see here, phase is here, so we'll click on this, and then I need you to make a list in that Excel sheet of total mints and mint price. So here it says price decreases every 5 minutes and starts at 3 and decreases all the way to 0.25 Ethereum. So make a note of that. And then I need you to go to this website, which is Rarity Guide, and find the project on here as well. Let's see, it's hiding. Oh, there it is. And this is where most of the information is. So when this page loads, I need you to take a copy of this number, which is the total Ethereum. So it's 1,000. Oh, average price is 1 Ethereum. Total is 1,024. Make a note of the floor price here, which is 999. And then you're going to come down here, and here's a list of the features. So this is where it gets really in depth. All these features, I needed to count how many there are. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total features. And then within each feature, you need to count the number of variations. So there's feature 1 has 1, 2, 3 variations. And the color palette here has quite a few. Radiation here has 4 variations. So put all this information in an Excel sheet for all these projects. And then we'll calculate the averages for each one. But I can do that. I just need you to extract all the data.